Hello friends, today I will discuss the crop tool and perspective crop tool in Adobe Photoshop. I am coming back after the intro. First I will use the crop tool. It will crop through aspect ratio. We can change the aspect ratio here. If delete cropped pixel is checked and press enter, outside of the cropped area will be deleted. If we need to change the aspect ratio again, we can't recover the original picture in this project without opening that picture again or undoing the tasks. It will be a problem when you already edited the picture with lots of effects. To recover this problem, always keep unchecked the delete cropped pixels. Now we uncheck the delete cropped pixels and crop again. Click on this tick mark. If we need to change the aspect ratio of cropped area, we can easily change with the original picture. Now I will use perspective crop tool. It can crop a picture from a perspective angle. We can change the perspective angle by these corner points. Click on this tick mark. The picture has cropped in perspective angle. Thanks for watching. To get more tutorials, subscribe to my channel.